Bob really needs a few life-size statues of Venus de Milo for his patio store, but the retail price is a gazillion dollars. He knows an overseas manufacturer makes it for way less than that, but they usually have those crazy minimums. Bob needed just 3 units, not 1,000. So no Venus de Milos for Bob. Meanwhile, across town, Joe needs some Venus statues for his Italian restaurant, and Susie for her backyard furniture store, and Ned, well, Ned's just weird. What they all need is to get together and buy straight from the source. They need to form a mob. An import mob. At importmob.com, buyers can group together and form a buying mob. These mobs are powerful groups, so buyers can get items at great prices that they couldn't get on their own. It's the power of the mob. Import Mob empowers consumers and businesses to do away with the middleman and buy directly from the manufacturer. With better prices than retail or wholesale, and without those crazy minimums, the complications of filling a container, or dealing with an overseas manufacturer. Leave that to us. So, whether it's farm equipment, kayaks, statues of Venus de Milo, heated toilet seats, or anything else, log into importmob.com and start browsing live mobs today.